100% wireless with rechargeable battery solar power equipped with a built-in rechargeable battery, this security camera will work for 6 to 8 months after fully charged, lasting longer than others. Thanks to its wireless feature, you can install it anywhere without pulling the cord. What is more, it is compatible with a solar panel, not included, to provide non-stop power. Smart AI detection. Protect your home with advanced AI detection including PR, passive infrared, human motion detection, and pet capture. The security camera can always keep an eye on your front door and send accurate alerts to your smartphone once an event is captured. What is more, the battery camera can activate its siren and flashing light to warn off any threat detected. Protect your property day and night. IP66 weatherproof dust-proof NETVUE outdoor security camera with 130-degree wide-angle camera lens can work in all weathers. Made of tough bracket and high-quality material for IP66 weatherproof, no matter what rain or shine, hot or cold. The security camera will brave it all. What is more, it is also dust-proof and anti-corrosion, always ensuring a clear view for you. Color Night Vision 1080p Livestream NETVUE outdoor camera provides 1080p Full HD clear video and images in the daytime. Built-in infrared LED and white spotlights, the Wi-Fi camera features a color night vision and capture color videos up to 36 feet in darkness. You can watch 24H live stream with two-way audio, which means you can talk back via the built-in speaker, straight from your phone. Easy to install. Connect with stronger signal. It is easy and fast to install and set up the Wi-Fi camera. The installation can be completed within 5 minutes without any professional tools and pulling a cord. Thanks to the upgraded 4D by stronger signal antenna, we strengthen the stability of Wi-Fi and PR sensor stability for the outdoor security cameras. You can easily connect the camera and always keep a stable signal. Top reviews from the United States. This product is compact. It doesn't need to be charged as frequently as I imagined. It's going to really crystal clear picture and sound so much more dramatically vivid than the ones I have inside my windows. Looking out, the white light is incredible to be able to use in response to something going on outside, and the way its mount point is situated, it can be put up with the tiniest little clamps or camera mounts, so not since it can go just about anywhere. I guess the only drawback improvement I might add or explain would be a fisheye setting, so that a kind of 360 lens option might be available to see every angle of its perspective, all recorded on one image.